Hey everybody, I'm Blade with Bestcovery, and we're bringing you a humidifier review today. The Vicks 3-in-1 SleepyTime review. This humidifier is going to run you about $40. The gallon size for it is 0.6 gallons is the tank size, and that's going to be suitable for a room up to about 250 square feet. So there's some cool features about this one. Let's get right into the review. So this is a 3-in-1 humidifier. So that's going to be for humidifying. It has a built-in diffuser, and it is a nightlight. The purpose for this is definitely made for children. It is, you know, you can see the box even has like lots of, you know, children's toys, bottles, like that kind of stuff. So if you have young children, it is actually super made for that. The nice thing about it is when we turned on the nightlight, it felt very just soft. Like it was actually a really nice light. I tend to sleep in just really darkness, so it wasn't something that personally as an adult I really care about in a humidifier, but for children that's kind of a cool option. Like it's a good nightlight. As far as the actual design of it, I think it's pretty non-invasive. It's just standard white, really small. It's nice. I mean, I guess the tank size plays into that quite a bit as well. It is 0.6 gallons, like I mentioned before. I found that that was enough to fill my entire bedroom. I had no problems with that. It was dead silent. I had no issues. There's a tiny motor sound that I liked. It's kind of a white noise. I tend to sleep with an air purifier as well, so this was kind of drowned out by my air purifier. But other than that, I think it did a really good job of humidifying that size of a room. And I do have a room size less than 250 square feet, I would say. So it's perfect for something like that, for like a baby's room, a kid's room. The tank was really easy to fill. Just a basic turn. Every humidifier I've had has had this design. For 40 bucks, that's kind of what you're going to get. And it's perfect, I think, in that price range. It's a great budget pick. The nicest thing about this one is the diffuser. So Vicks, this is obviously from Vicks. They include one Vicks tab, which is just super menthol-y. I can see this being awesome when you're sick. These tabs were really great. I struggle with sinus issues, had a lot of nice nights of sleep because I just had a little bit of that menthol coming through. My nose gets very clogged at night and dry, and so this helped, obviously, the humidifier. I see no reason why you couldn't buy your own tabs, put orange essence or, you know, any essential oils or something like that, and then have it diffuse. I know you're not supposed to put essential oils in a humidifier. I have broken many that way. And so having the option of putting that in at 40 bucks is pretty cool. Auto shut off after the tank is done. There is no timer or anything like that. But you do have a basic setting, you know, where you can go. If you really need it humidified with Vicks, if you're sick, I think maxing it out is probably awesome and the way to go. I kept it at about the 1/3, and the time I was getting on it was about 2 full days on 2 nights, I should say. 2 nights I got on a single tank of a full tank, and then I had to refill it at that point. So ultimately, I think this is a great little humidifier for 40 bucks. I've had many humidifiers in the past. I've gone through a lot of the cheap ones. I spent some at 80, and I feel like all of them are the same. They're all super similar. Tank size is obviously the big concern, but I've had no issues. I think if you were running it when you were max and you're sick, then you want to fill it more frequently, but you're going to want to do that anyways if you're sick. I think for the money, having this little Vicks tab is the secret to like why this product is awesome. The menthol was great, and I think for a kid's room, for an area where, yeah, you are going to be sick or you're sleeping or you have trouble breathing, I think this is a killer product, and I don't think you can go wrong for 40 bucks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our product reviews. If there's anything you want to see us review specifically, then leave that in the comments down below. If you're interested in the 3-in-1 SleepyTime Humidifier by Vicks, you can find all of the information and details about it in the link in our description. And as always, discover the best with Bestcovery.